In this video, we're gonna have 7 different Amazon associate alternatives for you. What's up, interweb? It's Kevin, I'm back. So, there's been a lot of noise in 2020, aside from the obvious pandemic that's going on. But in the affiliate world, content creators who make most of their money off of affiliate marketing through Amazon associates saw a cut in some of their commissions. Significant. May not be that significant when we get to the end of this video, so make sure you stick around because 3% commissions aren't that great. But we're gonna dive right in. First one, simple, Walmart. Yeah, everyone shops at Walmart. The great thing about this is it's free to become a member. Sign up. You can sell basically anything, just like on Amazon. Online sales though, not very big, 1%. If you go actually dig in and look at the commissions, they're actually not too bad, 4%. They go up 1% on a lot of stuff though. It's not the greatest, but it's free to start if you want to diversify. Maybe the same thing that you were selling on Amazon is at Walmart, and they're not giving you any commission, or the commission is a little bit higher on Walmart. Try it out. Number 2, Target. Yes, going with the retail stuff, because a lot of people that are complaining about this sell retail products. So I'm giving you options here. Target, same thing, but they go up to 8% commissions. The great thing about them though is if you understand cookies, it's a 7-day cookie. A cookie is just when someone clicks on an affiliate's actual link, it gives them an opportunity to buy later. Amazon, usually you click on an Amazon link, it stays in your computer for 24 hours, and if that person that clicked makes a purchase, the affiliate gets a commission. Here it's up to 7 days, 8%. Some of the stuff you can't sell because of competing with other sites like Amazon or whatnot, but a lot of their home products you can. So if you have products that you promote that are around your content, this might be helpful, or another route you could have. You could do Amazon and then find the same products on Target and Walmart and just mix it up. You need a website with these first 2, and the next ones are a bit more loose where you can do more of your social media. So, okay, number 3, JVZoo. So online seller, there's a bunch of different ways to pay for things, a bunch of different ways to market. If you are doing email marketing, this is a great way to get into it. It's a lot of digital products with higher commissions and a wider product base. So if you're only selling, I don't know, vases for 3%, maybe there's some sort of training you can find on here on decor that might go with it that has a 10% or higher commission. So they have 800 plus thousand active members, is 100% free for their affiliates. You can keep 100% of the commissions you earn. There are never any loops or jump through to pay. I'm terrible at reading, it's not my thing. I improv. I hardly ever have a script. Bullet points, ever skip. So you're paid through several different places, Stripe, PayPal, any of those things. There's larger commissions with these, and it's a lot of different individual products depending on who you're actually or what you're promoting, and it's pretty much worldwide. It's a large place. You could be a seller too. You can create your own products on this. Another way to diversify, if it's maybe it's a decor thing that you want to put together, you can actually put that together and promote it through this and have affiliates actually pay you to sell your product, and it can be all digital. So no hands-on stuff aside from typing and creating the actual content. Moving right along. The next one, if you want to stick to specifically brand name stuff and you have a big following already in a website, you can do Commission Junction, cj.com. I'll leave links to all this stuff down below. This is a huge marketplace. It's more for actual brand name stuff, so there's a bit more probably paid advertising, and you probably need a little bit more of a following already. If you're just starting out, maybe not go straight here, but it's another great place to find more brand name affiliate stuff. But there's other ways to make even more money than just doing these simple brand name things. Now, the next one we're gonna go on to is Warrior Plus, where it's all softwares. A lot of the products here are automated products that help websites get traffic and create content and ebooks. It's free to sign up here. There's also a lot of trainings and stuff like that. on here. I've seen a few products and I know a few people that have gone through this and actually use it a lot. It's another place to take a look to see if there's any products that might fit your niche. And again, it's free and higher commissions other than those like 3%, 10% ones that you might get on like a VCR. Who the hell sells a VCR or CD? No one's buys CD. A computer, whatever it is you're promoting. The next one, if you're going the online digital products, is ClickBank. Might have heard of this if you're into the affiliate place. This is a really large marketplace, and you can also make your own products and promote them as well through here, having other affiliates promote your stuff. So there's health and fitness as seen on TV, e-business, e-marketing, games, arts, entertainment, training, spiritual stuff, nutritional stuff. There's a huge marketplace for this. Let's see, where you can promote, you can sell, you can learn. I'll just jump in real quick that was an edit, so you couldn't see my login. Sorry. Yeah, I edited and went right to the marketplace. I'm not giving you my login. Anyway, as you can see, there's arts, entertainment, betting systems, economics, business, investing, education. Now, a lot of these products here, you'll see that, let's go into health and fitness, supplements. I know there's a supplement in here. This is strength training, dietary supplements. So we'll look at Organifi. If you look here, this is the average sale because this upsells in the cart. What happens is instead of selling like one thing of this powder that Organifi is, I'll look at it on the mobile. So if you're in the nutrition thing, this is essentially the landing page. You get your affiliate link. This is just a juice, all right? If you, let's say you promote this product and someone buys it, instead of buying this one thing, they have upsells on the back end. So as soon as someone clicks buy, another pop-up window will show up and be like, buy 2 for 20% off or buy 6 for 20% off. And there's also a subscription base where you'd actually keep getting commissions. So that's the beauty of some of the stuff that you'll find here. You'll see that right here. Rebill, 38%. Okay, average rebill, $368. That's just one product for an example. I don't know what niche you're in. I don't know, but there's multiple things like that here. So ClickBank, great place to look. There's something for everyone here. The last is promoting an actual software. Software I'm using right now is Builderall, where you can build actual capture pages and lanyard pages. If you don't know what those are, essentially picture, go to my website, pop up here. You can click on the link down below. So this is a landing page. Essentially, I'm giving away a free webinar for anyone that wants it. There'll be a link below. Here you can capture someone's contact information and build a list off of whatever platform you're on, off your website, off your YouTube channel, wherever it is you're creating your content. And this way you have it separate. It's yours, no one else owns it. Facebook doesn't own it, Twitter doesn't own it. If you want to start on another social media site or wherever it is, you have a private list that you can promote to right away and tell them, hey, I'm going on to TikTok, here it is. Email it to them. And you can also send them free promotions or any other product. I've just given you 6 other places to find a product. You could send out a series of emails promoting products on all these different platforms. But promoting this software, it allows you to build a website like this, and you're giving someone the option of building their whole website based on this. So their affiliate program is pretty sweet because when someone builds their website, essentially you don't just build your website and then forget about it. You don't build your business with this, a website, and then just throw it away. So the beauty of that is once someone buys, let's go all the way down here, your first commission is 100%. So if someone signs up for the premium plan, it's $65, you get that $65. Then the next commission you get from them, if they stay, they build their site, they like it, they stay, it's 30% every time it's rebuilt. So you can build this essentially residual income from signing people up and helping them build their websites. But the cooler thing, aside from the 100% commission upfront and the next 30% on the reoccurring, is that if they sign someone up and they get their own personal first commission, is there's another tier. You get 30% on their commission. So you can go 3 different layers. You get there's 3 layers: the upfront commission first, then the residual, and then a residual on your next person. So you could sign up one person, they could come back next month and then sell a product on their own, and then you make commissions off of both of them. As you can see, going with some sort of software is a great way to diversify and add that to your actual program. All right, so the next thing you can do is click on the video on the screen if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing or the next best piece of content that I can recommend just for you. Make sure you like and subscribe to get new content.